should start driving, dude.
Dude, because there's cars.
Okay.
I need to not yell on camera.
We are driving to San Jose to my parents to drop off Teddy right now. I baked my mom, or I didn't really bake, it's like a no bake, but a vegan cheesecake as a thank you.
No, you're a wimp. Where's your diary, bro?
So we have an hour-long drive to San Jose, and then it's a 6-hour-long drive to LA. See you on the road. We just dropped Teddy off, and now we have to go get something to eat before we have really hit the road. Any updates?
No.
We made it to LA.
Oh shit.
Woo! Now we're going to Erewhon for dinner because Renzo wants something healthy. And I love Erewhon. What are you gonna get?
I have no idea. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep. The thing is, I like a healthy tasting dessert. So for me, 5 Hailey Beaver smoothies out of 5.
Okay. Wait, what is this? The mad chip sundae? Or
Yeah.
The mad chip? It's just like a samosa.
Samoa.
Samoa. 3.5 crispy tunas out of 5.
Little update because Renzo's still in bed, although he is awake. We got Erewhon for dinner last night. It was really good. We had some sushi and they had vegan short ribs, so we tried that. That was honestly really good. And then I tried the Mad Chip sundae for dessert. This is my outfit. I just showered and got ready. My little black kitten heels. I got this Daniel Guzzo skirt before the trip, and it's super comfy. I'm very happy with that purchase. That was very worth it. We are gonna go to Stereoscope for matcha. I have tried it before, Renzo hasn't, but I'm excited. It was my favorite matcha in LA, although in all fairness, I've tried like 3, but I really liked it. So we're gonna go there for matcha, and then we're gonna try Squirrel for brunch. Sweet matcha latte and
Pina colada, iced pina colada. Cheers. You go first. Let's both try the matcha. Oh, that's hella good. Wow. Okay.
let's try this one.
Inspired.
Ooh,
I like that.
that's
so
really
fire.
good.
Yeah.
Quick update. We had squirrel.
Man, that shit hit the spot. Yo, chill out. That's nasty. That's nasty.
Really good. I really liked it. Good jam. We got some to go for his friends.
Good coffee.
Super quick update. I came back to the Airbnb. Renzo is still out shopping with his friends because I'm gonna go see my brother. I changed my outfit too. Just a loose baggy t-shirt, loose bag, capris, and flip-flops. Me, Renzo, and Yvette are gonna do a book club. So me and Renzo both got the book for it. We got 2 copies, so we can read it at the same time. And then I got one other book, The Skunks. But Renzo got this fun shirt. It's got this cute thing on the front. And then a cute design. I might steal this from him occasionally. Me and my brother are meeting at a vegan French place. Good.
Well, you weren't paying attention to me, so I didn't do it. I was gonna put on my socks, so I decided to just.
It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. I went out for dinner with my brother last night. It was really fun. We had a bunch of vegan desserts. I got Renzo a Labubu eclair to go, but he hasn't tried it yet. He hasn't even looked at it, but that's fine.
I don't have to.
I'm gonna start it.
I'm gonna start.
Alright, you're gonna start.
So we're gonna get breakfast at
Keeps
Community
interrupting
Goods. Dude,
I'm gonna wake up all minute, stupid ass ducks.
this alarm keeps going off and it's a duck. So there's just
It's
a
just a
quacking
duck.
in the background. My outfit this morning is nothing exciting because it's just...
I think it's pretty cool.
Do you hear the quacking? It's like living with a duck.
It's really good. It doesn't taste like anything special, but it is really fucking good. Yeah.
That's really good. We have a white chocolate tahini croissant. Go ahead.
Alright, check. Not bad.
We just went to Community Goods. White chocolate tahini croissant. This is amazing. It's the only thing we've tried yet. Renzo's breakfast sliders. He added avocado and bacon. Pistachio toast. I had a mini breakdown about not having my sandwiches. But we've regrouped, we're fine. Just had to be like a little bit dramatic about it for a minute.
Hey.
We're had our breakfast and we're about to head to the beach. This is the outfit. My same yellow flip-flops. Lid full. I actually would prefer to wear this purse with it. I feel like this would be really cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
But I don't want to get sand in this one. I'm bringing 3 books to the beach. Most of the way through this one, so I just want to finish it. And then I have my 2 new books from yesterday. We're gonna order our sandwiches and head out. See you at the beach.
Alright, on that.
He has my hat on. And I didn't correct her.
Okay, we gotta
What's
go
the
check.
eighth? There's this cheesecake place near our Airbnb that's supposed to have really good cheesecake. It's called Harriet's Cheesecake. It was on my list of things I wanted to try while we're in LA. We didn't have time to get in the morning, but when we left the beach, we were able to get there like 10 minutes before closing. I got 7 slices of cheesecake for us to try every flavor. 7. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Oh.
Whoa, they're colorful.
The Kahlua chocolate praline
Crawling.
and white chocolate raspberry.
Oh, damn. We should.
Oh my
God.
god. Yo, that's a fat bite. A quarter of the cheesecake, bro. Well, I would take a much more reasonable bite.
Jesus, these look good.
That's really good.
I don't want to say
It's not even that
really
cheesecakey.
good.
Dude, don't go in for seconds. We have so
Sorry,
many more
sorry.
seconds.
Right.
And then have you doing your little dancey dance.
That was fire.
That was good.
Be up there for me.
I don't even
This
know
is
what
your
it is.
request, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's solid.
fuck.
That one's fire as fuck.
This one might be one.
That's
That's
fire,
ridiculous.
That one might be the one.
That one's
Oh,
gas.
that's
So good.
Fire, bro. That's the one, bro.
Our dinner reservation's not until 9, so we have time to chill. We're going to meet him at a bar for dinner. I'm rotting a little bit, and I might read. Okay, one last thing. This will be the full outfit. I'm stealing Renzo's leather jacket. I'm honestly still full off cheesecake, but see you at dinner. Happy Sunday morning. I want to go to Courage Bagels. Renzo won't get up. Here's the outfit. We're gonna go to Good Friend and get coffee and then Courage Bagels. What the hell was that? The Good Friend.
It's just good.
No, it's the Good Friend. You just got foam, man.
God damn, that's fire as fuck. I love
Yeah.
foam strawberry matcha. What's up, y'all? We ordered the bagels and shit. So now we're gonna review their orange juice. Is that fresh squeezed?
Probably, yeah.
That's fresh squeezed, fire. See you guys on the next one.
We got to San Jose and picked up Teddy. It's time to do the last hour drive home. I'm gonna end my vlog here. It's Monday morning, like 6:30 or 6:20. I have to leave for work in 10 minutes. It was a really fun trip. I feel like it was the perfect use of a weekend trip. I feel like we really maximized what we wanted to do. I'm excited to go back to LA. Me and Renzo were already planning our next trip on the drive back. See you next time.